Hello Pajeros, hope you guys are doing good and well. Alright, here is my new air filter K&N. The model number was 332164, especially for 3.5 and 3.8. It can be fitted for the even generation 3 and the generation 4. The K&N filter, it's increasing the horsepowers and it's giving good airflow to the engine. Overall, it's very good engine performance it's give you, and really for the accelerating performance it's high, and this one actually more long lasting and durable product because they're using a premium cotton material of fixing this K&N filter, and easy to clean, washable. See, it gives the lifetime warranty as per them. Right, I want to try these ones. Let's see how it is performance, and I can give you the feedback in my video comments in description. Okay, first let's remove my stocks one. The stock ones, I'm going to remove there's a 3 clips, one here, another side, and one more over here. So first we will remove these ones. Here is the stock ones, the original one. As you can see, they're using a special kind of paper. You can see it's I believe it's full spoiled. As you can see, the quality of the K&N filter, they're using a premium material to use this. It's a dry one. By the way, there is a 2 type of K&N filter. One is a dry ones, and one is the oil ones. So please try to get it the dry one, because especially when you're using in off-road, you have to go for the dry one. If you're using that oiled ones, it will stuck all the dust in your filter. All right, let's replace. Okay, so first we will send this side into the bottom, and this is the top, the layer. Yeah, you can see it's perfectly fitted to the end and the sides. Okay, and from this side, as you can see, fitted well. Now let's fix the clip from this side first. Yes. Yeah. Do this. Always we have to be careful with the last clip, it might go inside. Okay, take it out and push into the other side. Check even this corner. Yes, see, it's fitted right, perfect. Now you can push your clip from here. Yeah, please double check. Yes. All right, let's start the engine and we feel the difference of the new K&N filter. How is the sound to the engine? How is the airflow to the engine? Let's look the RPM is how it's work after the cane filter. Quick response for the accelerating. Okay, let's try on the road also. And the sound's also different from the engine. Yeah. It's really quick response from to the accelerating when I'm doing, and I really feel the difference of replacing the cane and a filter. Especially it's a good response to the accelerating, and I believe even the engine or overall performance are getting good. I can feel the sound, quick response for the accelerating. Guys, I hope you guys also try these ones, then you will feel the difference. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.